Hi, I'm Romina Florida from SNE21, and I will be showing you how I prepare traditional medias that can be used inside the classroom. First, I will be making non-projected display materials, and to be specific, I will be making D.I.Y whiteboard for classroom activities. Lastly, visual media, organizational materials, and to be specific, I will be making pocket charts. So, let's do it! First thing that we will do is to cut the edges of the folder. So we'll be cutting out this part, the edge, so it will be aligned here. After cutting it, now it's aligned. So we will put the background here and attach double-sided tape at the back of it. At the cutted part of the folder. We should cut the edges that will be not covered here. So we need to resize it. To cut the edges. Here we cutted the excess part of the folder. So the next thing that we will do is put the plastic cover and wrap it up here. Attaching the plastic cover to it. Part of the envelope or any pocket envelopes, and we will be securing it. So this is our finished product, a DIY whiteboard. Because of the plastic cover, whiteboard markers can be erased by students, and the bordered paper can become the outline or the borders or the design of our DIY whiteboard. The folder makes the DIY whiteboard sturdy, so students can easily produce DIY whiteboards like this for activities like multiple choice questions, for quiz bee, spelling bee, like that. And I will give you also an example if it will be done using illustration board. So it is like this, plain background for illustration board, the white part, and this is the back part of the illustration board. So the only design that had been done here is putting stickers here. Students can customize the white part given that it will have some space at the center. So like this, DIY whiteboard. And we're done. Simple as like that. Now, after making our non-projected display materials, which is the DIY whiteboard, we will go to the visual media or organizational visuals, which is pocket charts. So, I will show you how to do pocket charts as quick as possible. First, cut the folder to your desired size of pocket chart. Now, we've done the size of our pocket chart, which is 5 inches. We will cut it. So, this is the finished product for the cutted backbone of our pocket chart. So, put double-sided tape to it so that the colored paper will be attached to it. Now, as we remove the other part of the double-sided tape, we will attach it to our colored paper here. Then, guided by the folder itself, we will cut the edges. The next step is cutting the desired amount only of the plastic cover to cover enough space of your pocket charts. Excess plastic cover the size, so we need to cut it up. And like what we did to the DIY whiteboard, for it not to be bulky, we need to cut out the edges part. The last before we come up to the pocket charts. So as we attach or cover up the first layer, we will do the second part. We'll give 1 inch at the top, or 1.5, or maybe 1 inch. This is the finished product of our visual media organizational visuals, which is the DIY pocket charts. So we have here, for example, this, we will insert it here like this and like that, and before I forgot, we should punch it here. So we will also be needing a puncher. You can attach round clips here like that. Then we'll make another one. You can also punch it here. For example, is the one that I made when I was in senior high. I already used this in doing demo teaching here, but as the backbone of it, I use illustration board, and I also covered the back part because I have enough supplies or resources, not what we made here. So here, I connect this with round clips and attach it to like here. So it can be put like this. You will attach the round clips here. Aside from having this, you can also have ribbon or anything that you can attach here, so it can be displayed more visually appealing to the class. So that's it. I hope you learned something from today. So we made DIY whiteboard and pocket charts for our instructional or traditional instructional media. So thanks for watching. Bye!